Palace press officer and PCO Undersecretary Claire Castro has been filed a libel complaint by embattled House lawmaker and Batangas Representative Leandro Leviste over allegedly false and defamatory statements made in her video weblog. But Castro insists she is only rehashing statements and pronouncements from the Ombudsman and Leviste himself. Our Maribel Custodio has more on Castro's suspicion on the personalities behind Leviste's libel suit.
Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Claire Castro has yet to receive a copy of libel complaint filed by Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste before the Balayan Regional Trial Court in Batangas. This stem made from the allegedly libelous statement made by Yusek Castro in her vlog regarding Leviste's alleged sale of his solar energy company despite still having a legislative franchise. Castro maintains that her statement were taken directly from what Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla himself had said. So if there's a basis for the source, how can it be considered defamation? Leviste meanwhile responded,
"Hindi ko po binenta ang kumpanya na may prangkisa. Ang kumpanyang binenta ko ay ibang kumpanya na ang main asset nito ay lupa sa Nueva Ecija."
Based on the 22-page complaint, the civil libel case filed against Castro seeks 110 million pesos in moral and exemplary damages and 1 million pesos in legal fees. According to Leviste, while the case could also fall under cyber libel, he does not wish to file a criminal case or have Castro jailed. Castro further added that it was Leviste himself who admitted in interviews that he is no longer the owner of Solar Para sa Bayan, which still has a franchise. Thus, she says, the source is a lawmaker himself. But in Leviste's statement to the media after the filing, he said that the Solar Para sa Bayan is no longer holding a franchise.
For various reasons, wala nang prangkisa ang Solar Para sa Bayan. Nakalagay sa prangkisa dalawang probisyon. Una, within 2 years, kung walang operasyon, ito po ay ipso facto revoked. Automatic po. Pangalawa, kailangan ng implementing rules and regulations para mag-operate at hindi po ito inilabas, kaya hindi po siya namin na inoperate.
Castro suspects that the case is intended to silence her amid the controversy. Yusek Castro now asked who is truly behind the filing of the case that seeks to silence her. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.